Welcome back, guys. It's been a little bit of time since we last caught up. Max and I just got home today from going to work up north. We've come back to a completely saturated HQ here. It's just the way it is. While we were gone, the old man has managed to start moving a lot of this dirt around and started stockpiling it down yonder. Still a lot to go though. Jesus, there's some earth there. Okay, brand new blade in the drop saw. I chucked the silicone joiner on the front of the old spoolie boy there and have marked around about where I think I need to cut this pipe off. There are a lot of marks in it from where it was bent in the mandrels. It happens. So I have picked what I think is the cleanest and nicest side, which is that one's the one that's going to be visible from the side of the car. So we'll polish this up, clean it up as best we can at the end. For now, I'm just going to cut that bad boy off there. Brand new blade. Can't remember if Max might have already tried this before. I'm pretty sure a brand new blade goes through 4-inch tube. We'll find out in a second. Beautiful. That'll do the job. Righto guys, a little bit of time has passed. Mucked around and got the other couple of pipes in. And I'll show you what it looks like. As expected, it looks absolutely dog shit. Look at it. Bloody disgusting. Looks absolutely flippin' awful. Imagine that being your finished engine bay, except for a catch can up in there. But imagine that. It looks just yuck. Gross. Boy, it really hates it. All that's left now, I've already put the marks in. A couple of marks. There's one under there. That's for our Welder 1/8 MPT bung in there. That's for our wastegate reference. And I've also put one here. That's going to be for the catch can breather hose there. I'm not sure what's going on with the fittings. I feel like I might have fucked this up. I've got push lock fittings, not cutter fittings to suit the braid. So when I picked them up, it must have been in my head that I was going to use normal rubber hose for that breather, which I'm at this point not going to do. It's going to be braided. So yeah, next step, pull them off and get some bungs welded in. This is obviously no clamps on any of this just yet. It's all sitting in there. So I'm going to pull it all off and polish it. But first things, get some bungs welded in, get the fab work done. I'm going to push my luck with that bottle of argon. It has got a tiny bit left in it. I'll see if I can just get that done. 2 bungs, we might just be able to sneak it in. Okay, holes drilled, fittings ready, surfaces cleaned, gas on. Almost gone though. Doors shut. Filler rod ready. Let's get ready to TIG weld! Okay, boys and goyles, there you have it. TIG welded 1/8 MPT fitting and a -10 fitting for the breather. Now, I'm still certainly no master on the TIG, however, I'm not too upset about it. I am getting better. It'll do the job. I'm happy enough with that. And there's still gas left. I cannot believe how long this bottle of argon has held on for, right at the very dregs of the bottle. Incredible. All right, well, basically now it's time to polish them. So I'm not going to film that because filming just like half an hour of me polishing pieces of pipe would be just ridiculous. Polished up, looks shinier than it did before. It's still not great. You still see a lot of those mandrel marks in it. I actually should, next time I see Adam, I'll have a chat to him because I'm almost 100% sure there is a way that you can actually polish these out. I have a feeling if you get a Scotch-Brite disc on a sander or grinder, I'm sure that we can actually polish them out and make, we could actually polish these up like a mirror. I may look into that at some point soon. For now though, this is good enough just to get the car together and get it done. So I'm going to go ahead and get the T-bolt clamps and actually put this intake together properly. So we'll be back shortly. I'll show you how it comes up. Righto, pipework, polished, in the bay. Not sure if I mentioned it before, but yeah. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a little bit average to be honest, but fucking BAM! Gotcha. It doesn't actually look that bad. How's that shit, boy? Yeet! Oh, it looks fucking neat. I am stoked with how that's come up. Look at that for an engine bay. My God, that looks baller. And I should mention too that this is now, with the exception of the catch can, I did dummy it up before with this this little hose that's going to go there. I do have the push lock fittings. I have decided I will buy some fittings and make that braid too, just so it looks absolutely minto. But yeah, it looks so sick. So this is now finished. That's engine bay done, except for this one line and catch can, but that's it. This engine bay is done. I'll get rid of all the bugs too. I will do that because they're fucking annoying pieces of bloody crap. But yeah, I am stoked. I'm not even sure that there is an oof big enough for how this thing looks right now. I am so mad that I have to sell this. If no one wants to pay me money for it, I will keep it. I'm not giving this thing away now. This is just insanity. So yeah, that is the engine bay. Yee! That's likely to be it for me for tonight. It's been a long week, long few days. So I'll sign off here for tonight. Because it's probably not quite enough content for a full video. That's up to Max. He can sort that out. Editor problems, not mine. So yeah. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow or summit to keep going.
Mint.